Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Ghulam Iqbal. Today my topic is about management science and operation research. Management. What is management? Management functions include planning, organizing, staffing, leading, or directing and controlling an organization, a group of certain or more people or entities, or efforts for the purpose of accomplishing a goal. Functions of management. Basically, there are five functions of management. The first one is set objective, second one is organizing, third one is motivating the team, the fourth one is leading, and the fifth one is developing people. The most one is set objective. Setting and achieving objective is the primary way a manager to accomplish and maintain success. They must also be able to convey them to their staff or employees in a compelling manner. For instance, a restaurant manager could state they want to improve service time and remind employee that faster service increase revenue and tips. Second one, organizing. Manager evaluate the type of work, divide it into achievable tasks and effectively delegate it to staff. Organization also require a manager to establish relationship of thought among their team members. So the third one, motivating the team. In addition to tasks of an organization, a delegation motivation include having the skills to handle different type of personalities in a team. An effective manager must know how to form and lead successful team and know how to galvanize team members around a cause. Fourth one, developing people. In addition to leading their team toward a goal and measuring their progress along the way, good manager invests in their staff's development. Manager can, for example, work with their team to help set goals to move up in their career. The last one is leading. Leading is the use of influence to motivate employees to achieve organizational goals. Manager must be able to make employee want to participate in achieving an organization's goal. The next topic is levels of management. Basically, there are three levels of management. The first one is top level management, second one is middle level management, and the third one is low level management. Top level management. This is the highest level in the organization hierarchy, which include board of directors, chief executive. They are responsible for defining the objective, formulating plans, strategies and policies. The third one is middle level management. It is the second and most important level in the corporate ladder, as it creates a link between the top and low level management. It includes departmental, divisional heads and managers who are responsible for implementing and controlling plans and strategies which are formulated by the top executives. Low level management. Low level management is also called as functional or operational level management. It includes first line manager, foreman, supervisor. Has low level management directly interact with the workers. It play a circular role in the organization because it helps in reducing wastage and idle time of the workers, improving the quality and quantity of output. Why management is necessary? Proper management makes sure that each part of the company works toward achieving a common goal without disaster. Management actually plans, executes and balances resources of a company in such a way that the maximum work output to attain the goal of organization swiftly while retaining work quality. Benefits of a good management. There are some benefits of a good management. Good management increase communication. Good management improve productivity, accuracy and timelessness. Good management improve decision making and efficiency within an organization. Good management identifying potential problems early when you still have a time to act on them. It's also benefit cost efficiency also benefits of good management. Customer focus also uh, benefit benefits of a good management. Management sciences. What is management sciences? Management science is the broad and disciplinary study of a problem solving and decision making in a human organization with strong links to management, economics, business, engineering, management, consulting, and the other fields. Which field involve management science? There are many fields around us which involve management science, like data science, decision analysis, engineering, project management, simulation, optimization, industrial engineering, operational research, logistics. Here the characteristics of a management science. There, there are four major characteristics of a management science. The first one is examine functional relationship from a system. Second major characteristic of management science is use the interdisciplinary approach. Third one characteristic of a management science is uncover new problem for study. Fourth major characteristic of the management science is use a modeling process approach to problem solving. And there are also some other common characteristics of the management science. First one is a primary focus on a managerial decision making. The application of science to decision making, a dependence on electronic computers, and appraisal resting on criteria of economic effectiveness. The tools for management sciences. There are some tools used for a manager to solve managerial problems. These are decision matrices, decision trees, mathematical programming, branch and bound network models, dynamic programming, Markov chain, game theory, inventory models, waiting line models. Operation research (OR). What is operation research? Operation research is an analytical method of problem solving and decision making that is useful in management of organization. In operation research, problems are broken down into basic components and then solved in defined steps by mathematical analysis. For example, in World War II, the British military brought together a group of scientists to allocate insufficient sources, for example, food, medics, weapons, troops, etc., in the most effective way possible to different military operations. What are the stages of operation research? Here, here are some stages of the operation research. The first one is orientation. Second one is problem definition. Third one is data collection. Fourth one is model formulation. Fifth one is model solution. And the sixth one is validation and output analysis. The last one is implementation and monitoring. Why operation research is important? Operations research is important because it is a helpful tool used to solve complex problems under uncertainty. Operation research techniques will this void with methods that quantify issues and give business managers a better basis for making decisions. Which field involve operation research? There are many fields which involve operation research in their routine. For example, computer science, data mining, engineering, graph theory, decision analysis, forecasting, simulation, financial engineering, industrial engineering, business analytics. Advantages and disadvantages of operation research. Advantages of operation research in the Operation search enhance productivity, linear programming improve coordination, low risk of failure, control on the system, and disadvantage of operation research over cost. It is costly, it is technology dependent, it is depends on experts, it is unquantifiable factors, it is difficult to implement. Thank you.